sa Highview Residences. First of all, gusto ko muna magpasalamat kasi ito ang napili nyo. Bakit Residences ang napili?
Actually, it's my first choice.
Oh, first choice.
Yes, from the Forward High View, it's high, no baha.
Correct.
Yes. Second thing, it's good choice for the school. It's 2 minutes away lang.
Solo, kumbaga, sarili yun na.
Lahat ng nabili na namin, na.
Oo.
Tapos yung bahay, ang bright lang niya.
So, tingin mo mama, i-recommend mo ba ito sa mga kaibigan mo?
Yes po, na-recommend ko na yung mga houses, talagang mas maayos. At saka yung talagang masasabi mo siyang community.
So, ayun ma'am, congratulations po ulit ma'am. At saka, thank you po dahil first choice nyo yung Highview. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome to Highview Residences ma'am. Thank you po.